2017, I attended the U.S. Air Force Academy Acceptance Day ceremony. Colonel Gary E. Payton was the keynote speaker. Colonel Payton is the former deputy under the Secretary of the Air Force for space programs, as well as a former astronaut on board the Space Shuttle program's first military flight in 1985. He introduced me to the concept of earned success. He said that the Air Force Academy cadets have completed something that can never be taken away, and they'll look back on this experience with great pride, ultimately leading to happiness and fulfillment. He went on to say that studies have shown that sustainable happiness is mostly achieved through earned success. This means that when someone attempts something they believe is challenging and they succeed, they experience happiness that comes from earning their success. The idea of earned success made me realize that, as leaders, we must motivate employees with challenging goals and outcomes that require them to think on their own and develop the necessary actions leading to success. If leaders don't provide motivating and challenging goals, they're keeping their employees from realizing their potential and depriving them of sustainable happiness or earned success. To realize your potential, you need to stretch yourself and those around you, creating a culture that pursues challenging outcomes. Developing a culture with behaviors and habits around the pursuit of meaningful outcomes will enhance employee motivation, engagement, and fulfillment, leading to earned success.